Okay, today is April the 16th, 2026, and we are eating from the 2025 and 2026 garden. So these spaghetti squash just came out of the oven about an hour ago, and they are from the 2025 garden. And I planted several more today, so we'll have them 2026 and 2027 probably. Then I went into our freezer and I got out some of the tomato sauce with garlic and onion that I had. This is also from our 2025 tomato garden. So I thawed it, and yeah, we're gonna mix that. And that's got some hamburger meat in there. So we're gonna top our little bowls here, spaghetti squash bowls. If you've never made spaghetti squash, it's so easy. You just basically cut it in half and then take the seeds out and then put butter, salt, pepper, and you just flavor it as you wish. And then they're spaghetti squash because it looks like spaghetti. So Jim went ahead and bought home some Parmesan cheese, and then this is from our 2026 garden. So I just picked this. This is our butter lettuce and Jericho lettuce. So I just picked this. The hummingbirds are happy. Then I just picked these radishes too. These are like baby radishes. And then some basil, purple basil, and mint. And so we're gonna have it with a salad with some bread, and then I made some sun tea, and this one was sitting out all day. So this is hawthorn. Hawthorn is good for the heart muscle. It literally strengthens your heart. So these are the hawthorn berries, and then I've got thyme in here and nettle leaf. So that's been sitting out all day. So yeah, I would just encourage you to plant and enjoy, plant something and enjoy a wonderful dinner, because it's just so fun. So this is really our first lunch or dinner. It's about 5:30 p.m. From our latest garden goods. So cheers.